We have so much very important breaking news for Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies that we have to talk about. So make sure you all stay tuned. You cannot miss what I have in store for you today. If you're new to the channel, my name is Myles. I have many years of investment and trading experience, and every day I make videos about Dogecoin and I cover cryptocurrency news, additionally teaching you all how to make money, how to trade through technical analysis. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you do not miss these time-sensitive videos. I'm giving away 200 Doge to one lucky winner on Saturday. All you have to do to qualify for that 200 Doge is like this video, subscribe to the channel, follow my Instagram and Twitter, and put something in the comments below. Now let's go ahead and smash up the like button for Dogecoin. If you love Dogecoin, you love cryptocurrency, smash up the like button so we can break the algorithm and share this video with others. Now Elon Musk tweeted last night, Dogecoin did go up about 8%, 9%, but why do you think Dogecoin didn't go up 20 or 30%? Why do you not think it had a huge effect on the market? Was it because of the time he posted it? Is it because of the market is kind of bearish? What are your thoughts about that? All right, so we have so much news to cover. Let's go ahead and dive in. So we're just taking a look at CoinMarketCap. And today on the 24 hour, we're seeing Bitcoin down about 4.5%, Ethereum 6.7%. We're seeing Cardano 3.5%, Dogecoin just about 3%. So nothing crazy, kind of just a sideways trading. 2 days ago, we did see a lot of green for cryptocurrencies, so it is healthy to see a little bit of a pullback, but hopefully we'll start to see some green here in the next day, maybe tomorrow. Hopefully Friday will be a very strong and green day for cryptos. That can give us enough time to just relax on the weekend for 4th of July. But we have some breaking news. Now check this out, all of you. So we have a German law now allowing $415 billion of investments into cryptocurrencies. So there was a law that now allows these special funds to invest up to 20% of their assets into cryptocurrencies. Now, some of these funds that are in Germany have nearly $2 trillion in their assets under management. So now they're opening up to the regular people and people that are in these funds to invest in cryptocurrencies. So this is huge. We're starting to see this all across America as well. We're starting to see a lot of Americans, a lot of banks, financial institutions are now offering cryptocurrency trading services. So that is very good news. So this is just Germany. So they're going to be adding nearly $400 billion into cryptocurrency, which most of it will go into Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano. We're going to have Dogecoin. All of that money is going to flow. And this is just, and for a very short period of time, this is just Germany. What about all of the other countries who are going to follow Germany's suit, who are going to follow America's suit into investing in cryptocurrency? Because we're seeing other countries that were banning cryptocurrencies, they're now allowing cryptocurrencies, they're now allowing mining. So people and countries are starting to see, man, we really need to get our hands in this as well. So between now and the next 6 months or towards the end of the year, we're going to see a lot more money in cryptocurrency. And that's why people are projecting cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum to hit these really high numbers that seem kind of crazy right now. It kind of seems crazy when you're in a bearish market. You know, Dogecoin is about 26 cents, 27 cents. Bitcoin is 34, 35,000. Ethereum is, about $2,000. How can Ethereum be $20,000 by the end of the year? Because there's going to be trillions of dollars that are going to be continually poured into cryptocurrencies this year. Not even counting the next 3 to 5 years, how much more money is going to be added in that time. Now, this is also some very important news. So we are also going to be talking about Elon Musk's tweet in just a moment. But check this out. So Jack Mallers' strike rules out Bitcoin buys going head to head with Coinbase. So we're seeing other crypto exchanges starting to step up their game. They need to get more competitive, and that is exactly what we are doing. Not a lot of us are very happy with the Coinbase fees. When you try to buy $1,000 worth of crypto, you're paying up to like $45 or so in fees. And that's just with $1,000. How much more people that are adding hundreds of thousands? They're paying out the rear end with fees. They're just paying a lot of fees. So this company, Strike, they're letting US customers buy and sell Bitcoin for almost zero in fees. And the guy was sending shots across the boat of Coinbase, Square's, Cash App, PayPal, and other crypto exchanges and cryptocurrency holders. So he comes out and he calls the CEO of Coinbase out. And he said, "Come play basketball in my court." That is awesome to see. So we're starting to see competition. So we're seeing a lot of high fees in cryptocurrency exchanges like Coinbase right now, but these fees are going to be reduced. They're pretty much going to be almost zero. Just like stocks, when you used to buy securities and stocks and options, there used to be pretty high fees, but now virtually all of those fees are non-existent. So we're also going to see that in the cryptocurrency market, especially as it begins to be accepted universally and all around the United States. And we even have the Trailblazers. They agree with StormX to allow the first ever cryptocurrency jersey patch contract. So a cryptocurrency now is on a patch of this basketball team. So we're seeing Tom Brady come out. We're seeing all of these sports players. We're seeing all of these different sports, especially American sports, come out and are starting to get involved with cryptocurrencies. All of this has really just started happening the last few months. How much more the next 3 to 5 years? I'm telling you, getting in cryptos right now, getting in Dogecoin. Yeah, Dogecoin is down. Yes, it sucks to see Dogecoin down, but right now, this is where we can make our wealth, our life-changing money, getting into cryptocurrencies while they are so cheap. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. And if you want to get access to my daily profitable trade alerts, join the Patreon, which is in my top pinned comment or in my video's description, where we can talk on the phone, build a portfolio for you. I can teach you technical analysis and much more. So don't be so concerned about the short-term volatility. We see a little bit of up, a little bit of down here. And I know we're going to be heading up in the next 30, next 60, next 90 days. We're not going to be stuck here at the bottom, especially as more money starts to get rolling into cryptocurrencies. You think Dogecoin is just going to sit there and just go down? No, it's not. They're going to continue to go up like they've always done since they were created. Dogecoin in the last 365 days is up 12,000%. And people are still complaining that Dogecoin is dead. Dogecoin is over with. Dogecoin is not going to go anywhere. It is up 12,000%. It's got to cool down and it will pop off. I believe, in my opinion, that Dogecoin will rally higher and bigger than its previous rallies. So last night I caught it live. Elon Musk tweeted and Dogecoin went up, nearly 8% or so. I don't know the exact number on top of my head, but that's billions of dollars were flowed into cryptocurrency. That was a significant bounce. Whenever you see if you're trying to day trade cryptocurrencies like Dogecoin, if you see a tweet by Elon Musk and you see like an 8%, a 10% pump, and you're trying to get out anyways, take some profits, wait for it to go down, that may have been a good opportunity for you, just for example's sake. So the tweet he came out and says, "You come to me at runtime to tell me the code you are executing does not compile." So this is another meme for Dogecoin, but the top of it, he said, "Release the Doge." What do you all think this comment or this meme means in the comments below? Let's talk about it. And in my next video, I will try to talk about it as well, some of your comments. But the most important part to take from this is here we have, the Godfather, and Elon Musk is called the Doge Father. And he's coming out to say, release the Doge. It's been the 1st of July. The SEC tell him not to say anything until the 1st of the month for a certain period of time, because we haven't seen him really tweet about Dogecoin for several weeks. But now he's saying release the Doge, and then he talked about baby Doge up top. Now some people are saying that Elon Musk didn't even know that there's a crypto called baby Doge, and that he said this, and then it did have a huge effect on baby Doge. It brought the baby Doge up a couple 100%. Maybe he did know about it because he also spoke about another small cryptocurrency a couple weeks back, in the Rocket one, and brought that up. So what do you guys think about that as well? But the most important part, he says release the Doge. So maybe he's going to start coming out and tweeting more. Maybe he's going to start doing things more publicly for Dogecoin, especially in this month of July. That's my personal opinion. That's what I think is going to start happening. He is now releasing the Doge. He is now going to start releasing more energy, more public energy for Dogecoin. Now, before we go ahead and take a look at the charts, technical analysis, we've also been talking about the Wyckoff accumulation. And according to the Wyckoff accumulation, if you look and compare the Wyckoff accumulation, you set it up, especially on the 1 hour chart, it is playing out 1 for 1. Now, I wouldn't take this with a lot of gravity, the Wyckoff accumulation, but it's certainly something to consider how it's playing out. The distribution played out perfectly. Now the accumulation is happening. And according to the Wyckoff plan, we should be seeing the bottom here very soon within this range where we're at with Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is approximately almost 33,500, almost 34,000. So basically what we should see in the Wyckoff is just a perfect uptrend, bouncing up and down, zigzagging, ABC, ABC. So in this area, we should start getting a bounce. Hopefully tomorrow we can start to see that bounce, but it should take us higher than the levels of resistance so that we should see clear uptrends from this point. And eventually it's going to bring us past $40,000. This could happen next week. It might take a couple of weeks to play out. It may take a month to play out. But according to the Wyckoff accumulation, which we are playing out, if Bitcoin does play out like this, it's going to bring the whole cryptocurrency market. And it just shows, if it does play out, that we are going to go up from here. And that is referring to Dogecoin, Ethereum, all of our favorite cryptocurrencies that we love. If you want a good platform to buy cryptocurrencies and stocks with, use my WEBULL link, which is in my video's description, or my top pinned comment. If you deposit $100, they will give you 2 free stocks worth up to $2,000, which you can immediately sell and buy cryptos or stocks with. And if you want to be able to trade cryptocurrencies tax-free, use my iTrust Capital link, where they give you a month free using my link. So we just took a look at Bitcoin, but taking a look at Ethereum. Ethereum is forming an interesting pattern. It is very interesting to see this. We're seeing a bit of a consolidation after these 2 pumps, but we're kind of just holding in this range right here. So honestly, what this could be playing out is a very strong and pronounced double bottom. I'm thinking that this is going to be a double bottom. If this is a double bottom, we could get a significant bounce. However, we could be forming also a head and shoulders. This could be a head and shoulders for Ethereum, which means that we would come up maybe a little bit more and then break down further, bringing us again to a low. But the low, in my opinion, would be higher than the previous lows, so we would still be okay even if we came down. So understanding currently in our market condition what's happening right now, we're in a bearish momentum. There's not a lot of money flowing in, there's not a lot of people trading, there's not really much going on. We're trading sideways. But if you actually look into the details of these charts for cryptocurrencies, yes, we're not really going up much, but if you zoom out, you can actually see that we're consistently going up. We're not pumping up a lot, but we are consistently going up, and that's what is important for me to see here in these charts. So I'm a bullish, optimistic person. I always see the bullish outcome or the bullish perspective over everything, but I also like to keep it real. Yeah, it's possible that we can break down further, but I also understand the fundamentals of cryptocurrencies, where they're headed. We have all of this money being put into cryptocurrencies this year. So yes, we might go down this and that, but I really don't care, because I understand by the end of the year, we will most likely be double to triple to quadruple, even further, with most of the cryptocurrencies that I talk about by the end of the year. So with Dogecoin, it kind of looks like we are forming a head and shoulders. So that is a bearish pattern. And we have pretty much gone down ever since this top right here from the other day. But depending on what happens in the next couple of days, if Elon Musk tweets something, if he says something really good that could bring up the crypto market, if there's really strong crypto news, that could bring us up further with Dogecoin. So basically right now, Dogecoin is just trading sideways, nothing crazy. If we do zoom out, we do see that clear uptrend from this bottom of about 16 cents. We had that strong double bottom, and ever since then we've been traveling up, but we are traveling up slowly. But the key is we are traveling upwards. So if you guys got something out of this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Share this video with some of your friends and family. Post it on Twitter. Blow up the comment section, and I will see you all tomorrow. Have a great night. Thank you.